I'm putting everybody before me. I'm putting everybody's needs, everybody's wants, everybody's reasons, all before me. The day that I became comfortable with going, I don't really give a fuck if like they understand or not. Like, I'm done. You have to get to a point to where you actually get that and are okay with that. Because if not, you're constantly putting all of the shit from outside there on your table and like your plate's always full. You're never finishing your fucking plate because you're just constantly, people just keep coming and dumping more shit on it. So imagine that. Imagine if people just keep telling you keep eating. You just keep getting full. Like, eventually you can't fucking breathe and you bust. It's no different from your mind. And more today than ever, you're seeing more people pop from mental overload, man. Like, it's too much. When they snap, they snap.